Hi everybody. Today I would like to show you how you can use WhatsApp Web. What is WhatsApp Web? WhatsApp Web is actually you can use your WhatsApp application on your desktop and laptop. Okay, so I am a lecturer. I use a lot of WhatsApp Web because easy for me to reply messages if I'm using a laptop or a desktop, because the screen is much bigger and I can type faster rather than using my small phone. So sometimes it's very tiring to type using small phone. So how you can use your laptop, okay, for messaging in WhatsApp. Okay, since you are using two devices right now, in other words, you want to use your laptop for WhatsApp, so there are steps that we have to settle in handphone and steps that you have to settle in web browser. Okay, here are the steps. So, using your phone, okay, click WhatsApp application on your phone, and after that you will see these three dots on the upper right of WhatsApp, and click that button. Okay, after you click that button, and you will see this on your handphone screen, WhatsApp Web, and click that one, and your WhatsApp screen on your handphone will ask you to log out from all devices. You just simply click log out from all devices. And the next step is your camera will pop up a camera ready mode, meaning that your camera, your handphone is ready to scan something. Okay, so actually your handphone is ready to scan the QR code from the WhatsApp Web. Okay, please put aside your handphone for a while you are doing some preparation for your web browser. Okay, so now we are using our web browser. So this is your laptop, and you type in Google or Chrome, doesn't matter what web browser you are using. Please type this URL, and after that your web browser will show this page. Okay, so in other words, you are ready to scan. Okay, so take your phone and start scanning, and now you are ready to use your WhatsApp using your laptop or desktop. Very easy step, right? Okay, so there are a few things that you have to remember. First of all, you have to make sure that your handphone battery and also internet connection is always ready. So for instance, if let's say your handphone battery only 5% or 2%, the WhatsApp web browser will give you warning to charge your handphone. So once the handphone battery is off, so you are no longer able to use the WhatsApp web. Secondly, for your information, using WhatsApp web, okay, you are allowed to drag and drop files to people. Okay, for example, you want to send file to people A, you can drag the file and give it to the person. So it's much convenient actually to use web browser rather than using WhatsApp using our handphone, because functions such as drag and drop the file are available for your WhatsApp web browser. So I hope with this information it helps you to use your WhatsApp using your laptop and desktop. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Alright.